Good morning, everyone. I want to talk to you today about advance parole and why advance parole might be really helpful to your case. So, most people will not be eligible to apply for a green card in the United States, even if they're married to a U.S. citizen or if they have a U.S. citizen child over the age of 21, if they don't have a lawful entry to the U.S. So that's where advance parole can be really helpful. Advance parole is a travel document that gives a person permission to travel abroad and then return to the U.S. legally. And when they make that return, they can get a stamp in their passport showing that they were paroled into the United States, which is a form of legal entry for the purposes of adjustment of status. Now, this type of travel document is available to people who have pending green card applications, although if they've already filed for green cards, this probably isn't an issue for them. But it's also available to people who have DACA and people who have temporary protected status. Now, the situation with temporary protected status and advance parole and whether it helps you to get a green card is a bit more complicated. So you definitely want to consult with an attorney about whether or not getting advance parole might be advantageous for you, might be helpful for your eventual application for a green card if you currently have TPS. For DACA folks, it is very definitely a way to get a legal entry, which means if you have DACA and you are, let's say, married to a U.S. citizen, getting advance parole can be extremely helpful. Now, for DACA recipients, advance parole is available for humanitarian reasons, for educational or business reasons. So very often, it can be applied for the DACA recipient to be able to travel home and perhaps see an elderly or sick relative in their home country. It may also be available if they need to go abroad for a school-related activity or for a business meeting or business training or conference. Might not be so relevant right now with COVID, but in the future, that might be a reason that people are looking for advance parole. For TPS applicants, you don't need any particular reason to obtain advance parole. You can apply for it simply because you have TPS. You can use it to travel to see family. You can travel for work. You can travel for tourism. It doesn't matter. My office files advance parole applications pretty regularly for people with DACA and for people with TPS, and I would be delighted to have a consultation with you to discuss whether or not it would be helpful for your case. So please call our office, 323-475-8716, to schedule a consultation. The consultation fee is currently $200, and I'm doing consultations via Zoom or telephone or any other remote manner that works for you. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.